Alright, we're in the Home Depot parking lot. My budget is like $50 before we go in, and there's this square one that's $180, and this one is $200. So depending on which is cheaper, either PVC pipes or something else that I don't know what it's called, we're gonna find out. Oh my god, you guys want to see my keychain? I have a little camera, and I have this Photoshop thing. Oh, so these are on sale. Only gonna need some three-way something. So I got four three-ways. These are 3/4 because they're the ones that fit the sticks that I chose. And then I almost got this one, but this one's like thinner on top. Didn't know that was the thing. So just be careful. Okay, so I picked up 2 T's. These are elbows for 3/4 also. We couldn't figure out if anybody could help us, so now we're gonna cut it. Cut your own. I mean, cut your own. Alright, I'm home now. I'm going to show you how to put it together, and then we'll do the beanbag. I'm gonna grab 2 50-inch ones and use it as the bottom, front, and back. To all of the ends, I'm gonna connect the 3-ways. Now we need to put 2 42 inches on the sides. The next thing I'm going to do is take 4 20-inch ones and stack them. Now we can take the 2 T's and put them on the backs. And take 2 elbows and put them on the front. To both sides, I'm going to connect 2 42-inch ones. Now we're going to put 2 20-inch ones at the back. I have to raise the camera just so you can see it. I'm going to take the 2 elbows and put them here at the back. And now I'm going to take the last 50-inch piece and connect it with the elbows. And that's it. That's how you set it up. You put in the beanbag on the floor and you attach the fabric on top with some clamps. This is the outer shell, and I ended up getting 4 boxes of the 100-liter fillings. Okay. 2 hours later, finally it's in. The material is actually really nice. I probably read that it was going to be leather, but it's nice because I didn't remember. So that was really fun. Never doing this ever again. I'm not doing it again. Once you're done with setting up the actual frame, you just put the beanbag on, drape some fabric over there, clamp it, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Bye!